Hello. Do you guys have old kitchen cabinet doors hanging around, or you're probably going to remodel your kitchen and you're going to have some old, these pike door or any kind of kitchen door, and you're just thinking maybe throwing them out or maybe donating them to the restore, like Habitat Humanity or something like that? Well, there might be another use for them. So I do have these. I have a few of these that were hanging around in our garage here for a little while. I figured, okay, I need to make some room, so it's time to make something out of them. So that's what we're going to do here in this video. We're going to make something out of these little kitchen doors. And of course, to start with making a design, so we're going to move right over to Canva and make our design. So let's get moving. Here we are in Canva. Now this is the paid version, but you can certainly do this in the free version as well. It just makes it easier to do it in the paid version because you do have access to all their stock images and a lot more tools compared to the free, but definitely capabilities. We used free for many years before we decided to go with the paid one. So by any means, you do not need the paid version of Canva, but we just love it. You can also use any other kind of editor, of course, but we like Canva. So we're going to go with this one.
It's a lot of just
Okay, so now we have our design. I think I'll keep it on this side just to keep things simple. That way I don't really need to fill in those holes. I think I'm going to leave them just so that people are aware that these are reclaimed cabinet doors, just for the fun of it. All right, let's do some sanding just to clean it up as much as we can. I'm not going to be playing around in the grooves here too much. I'm just going to do more of the surface and the surface just to clean it off any knobs and things like that, because we're just going to paint it. Handy dandy. This is my handy dandy sandpaper holder. All right. Well, which one? Let's find which one. This one should fit. I guess that's that. Just to get, try to get as much of the drums out as possible. I don't think I'm looking for the perfect, and I'm sort of wondering if I signal to make more rustic now. It's cool too. Oh. Just trying to get myself off it all. Actually, I should blow that off. I'll get the compressor going and just blow everything off there. Hey, as you can hear the compressor going, I'm just going to blow everything off. Blow it all dry and clean here. Then on the side, I'll do the other side too. And now we're going to make some Bondo. to fill in that hole.
Boom. Down, yeah.
This good fancy spatula. Push it in the hole. Made way too much. Yeah. Go to the other side. You are about it. Might as well. I'll leave the other two, like I said, just for fun.
There's the wood.
Let's send that off again after.
Boom. Off with it.
Oh, no.
Go. Coded. Yeah, it's about what you could. Then on top of that goes the dirt.
Okay, so we'll put this down. As I showed in the previous mock-up, so again, I'm not going to worry too much about being exact, as long as it's, you know, pretty square. It looks straight to me. I have it a little bit lower. I can bring it up a little bit higher, maybe, just to get that more equal. I think we'll stick it there. So what I've done is I used a chalk paint on the front. I just used regular paint at the back because I didn't have as much chalk paint as I thought I did. So that. I'm just going to put a bit of tape just so if I knock it by accident, it doesn't go flying and spread glue all over the place. So this is just, I'm using the actual piece that I cut the wording out of to help me place in the right place. Now, it could be a little bit tricky because this is then the same thickness. For what I'll do is I'm just going to place the writing into place. And then I'm just going to leave it there. And, a little while, once the glue has cured a little bit, I'll come back and remove this little thing. And I forgot to get the glue. All right, so combination usually for the larger pieces, I use this Lapad extreme glue. Wherever there's a larger area that we can put some glue. The other areas, I got the B7000. I like this one. I think it's the right one. Yeah, because I like the nozzle on this. It's very small, so it makes it really good to just see if it's open because we need it. Get my glasses for this job. And I shall start.
24 hours later.
Okay, so I left it overnight. So let's see what the damage is here. I'll take this off. Works well, didn't take the paint off. That was a good thing. And I'll try to lift it up straight, and hopefully that it didn't glue itself down. That's always the tricky part, the glue squeezed out. That seems to be... That one broke. Seems to have worked. Ace picking thing. Not the Jimmy DeRista ace pick, but you know, does the trick. There we go. Ooh, not bad. What you think? All right, so the kitchen sign project is complete. It's been clear coated. I've got a nice finish to it now. And yeah, so let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, you think it was a good project, good idea, what to make with the kitchen cabinets. Maybe you have some other ideas that we could do with kitchen cabinets. This was just something I figured I could try it out. So yeah, it came out pretty good. Using Canva, we really love to use Canva. We're not sponsored or anything like that, but we do love that tool. We've been using it for years. We started, as I mentioned, we started with a free version, and we said, yeah, this is a tool for us. So we ended up going with the paid version just because it makes things a little bit easier to, you know, find templates and things like that they have on available, and that can be used. So, you know, check it out. I'll leave a link down below. And yeah, let me know what you think of this video. If you liked it, hit the like button if you did. And if you want to see more of these videos, hey, why not hit the subscribe button? So we'll see you here again at Dusty Workbench. Thanks.
Unwanted.